Welcome to this tutorial on the basics of Java sockets for network communication. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started using Java sockets in your programs. First, let's start by importing the required packages for socket programming in Java. A socket is the endpoint that receives or sends data through a network connection. To create a socket in Java, you can use the socket constructor. Here's an example. In this example, we've created a socket object that connects to the local machine on port 8080. Once you've created a socket, you can use it to send and receive data using input-output streams. Here's an example of sending a message to the server. On the server side, you can receive this message using an input stream. Here's an example. Once you've finished using the socket, you should close it to release the resources. Here's an example. That's it for this tutorial on Java sockets for network communication. I hope you found this useful and feel confident in using sockets for your upcoming projects. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy coding!